So now I'm going to show you how to upload this form .html we just created to the server. Okay, which server are we going to use? Can you guys tell me? Yeah, you're going to use core FTP right here to ship your file to the server. And which server you're going to use? It's going to be informatics.mercer.edu, not infm.mercer.edu anymore, okay? So now I'm going to put this host IP and URL as informatics.mercer.edu. And you're probably going to use exactly same username and password. Okay, so let me see if my user one is working. And I'm not sure if, okay, once you get in, you can save a set name and then later on you can just click on the profile, then you can reconnect. So click, you don't need to change anything, port number 21, all of that. So great. So user one is log in just like a, a student. Okay. You cannot log in. You can log in the virtual desktop, you mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what's the problem. All right. So did you put informatics.mercer.edu all lowercase?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a host. And then your username supposed to be, who can tell me what's the username? Is it the first name and last initial? It's same as the one you use for your virtual desktop. Is that the first name and last name, first initial? Is that capital or lowercase? Say it again. Okay, so username is first name, last name, lowercase, initial, okay? And password is going to be a first name, first letter, capital, I believe. And then last 4 digit of your student ID. Is that right? Okay, so if you change, you mean if you use the, have you ever used informatics.mercer.edu before for other class?
I think I log in.
Huh? You log in?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So anybody else have a problem? Okay, great. Sounds like everybody good. Okay, so again, the host name, if this is your first time use, then your host name is informatics.mercer.edu, username, first name, and last initial. Password will be capital first name, first letter, and the last 4 digit of your student ID. Okay, all right, so don't save. Say connect, then you are logging. And once you log in here, you will see a folder called public underscore HTML. All your file, if you want to publish that file on the website, you have to go inside public underscore HTML. Okay, double click on that. You should all have a public underscore HTML. Do you have one?
Yes.
If you don't have one, you need to create one, all lowercase public underscore HTML. Who don't have a folder public underscore HTML? So silence is good, means everybody got it. All right. So, and then I'm going to probably use create a folder called right here, folder, create a folder right here on top here, say test. I'm going to do like a, or week one exercise. I just say week one so you can later on say week one. Okay, double click on that so you are inside a week 1 folder. Now, my file in the INFM 332 may not show up right here. So what you need to do is click on this directory tree right here, and then you click on desktop. This is desktop or virtual desktop, okay? And then you will find your folder 332, double click, and then you will see the HTML file form.html. You drag it to right. The left is client on the virtual desktop, right is the server, informatics.mercer.edu server. Oh, okay. So it looks like it's been denied. Informatics. Oh, uploaded. Oh, something wrong. Oh, okay. No, what's wrong with it? Yeah, I want to reconnect. I cannot hear you very clear, Ben. Can you get a little bit more close to your um yeah, I can barely hear you. Just little, yeah, yeah. Okay. So somehow is my connection have a problem maybe. Hold on. Can you hear me now? No. Okay. Well, we'll try one more time. Oh, here we go. The form.html is there, but somehow it didn't show. Okay. So I did upload the form.html there, but I need to remember where I put it. I put it under week 1 with all lowercase again. Okay. Mm-hmm. The folder. Okay, no, you wouldn't see because once you log in, you will be some page like here. Well, you wouldn't see all this. You would only see public underscore HTML because I've been using this a lot for other courses. So that's why I have many folders. So public underscore HTML is the folder you should see. If you don't see that, create one, public underscore HTML. Okay. All right, the last step I want you to do is we'll be able to see. So after we upload the form.html, what do we get? You're going to go to the web browser to open that site. So where is the site? Is http://informatics.mercer.edu and then /tilt your username / the folder you put in week 1 / form.html. So let me show you what. Okay, so I can put it here so it's more easy to read. Okay, so you type in informatics.mercer.edu and then tilt, and then use your username, not mine. I use user1, but your username, which you use for login to your virtual desktop or the Chrome FTP. And then whichever folder you put in under publics, and then you create a folder. If you create the same thing as week 1 as me, then it will / week 1 and then the file name. Okay. So then once we click, we got a registration form with the hiding fonts. Is this what we expected? On what? The form? You can capitalize in the file name, but you have to make sure you when you type the name, you have to use exactly same letter. Yeah, same case. It's either capital or lowercase. Okay. So I see some other people also get the very first page successful uploaded, which is good. Let's see, where are you going to check? Informatics. Do we have a list? Oh no, okay. Let me see if Peter created a link for oh he did. Okay. So I see Yiming, you already have test user default. Okay. So you put week 1 as well, form.html.
Week 1 form.
You put it week 4?
Week 1 form.
Oh, see, okay. Here we go. Okay, we got the form. We got the form itself too. So it depends on what kind of folder you put in, then you'll be able to pull that out. Okay. So this actually demonstrate most part of uploading your file. And I'm going to pause.